The recent COVID-19 pandemic has challenged this sense of well-being as it has impacted our economy, industry, and individual lives. Before the outbreak of COVID-19, hotels were dedicated to cleaning at the highest standards. It is in this sense that the American Hotel and Lodging Association launched Safe Stay, a commitment to enhance cleaning measures and safety guidelines that help us meet and exceed the concern created during the pandemic. Hotel guests and employees deserve the peace of mind in knowing that our industry is united behind a common set of cleaning and safety practices, which can be applied to any and every hotel. Safe Stay was created in accordance with guidance issued by public health authorities, including the CDC, or short for Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Hello there, my name is Srisalak Jantranima. I am the Chief Engineer of the Renaissance Hotel. I will be providing you today a 7-minute presentation of a plan regarding reopening the hotel safely for our guests and associates. Let's hear it. Before we begin, let's look at the history of this hotel. Renaissance Hotels is a luxury hotel brand of Marriott International. It was founded in 1981 as Ramarada Renaissance, an upscale brand of Ramarada Inns. In 1989, the brand was relaunched as Renaissance Hotels and was later bought by Marriott in 1997. For many years, the Renaissance has been dedicated to taking care of our guests with a focus on quality, service, and trust. Today, these values are more critical than ever. As we welcome back our guests to our hotels, we are committed to providing guests with a safe environment that aligns with expert protocols for working to defeat COVID-19, consisting of in-house and outside expert in food and water safety, hygiene and infection prevention, and hotel operations. Our Renaissance Cleanliness Council is redefining our cleaning and safety standards. We will actively monitor and evolve our solutions to ensure a continued focus on the health and safety of our guests and associates. Here is what guests can expect when they're with us. When guests checked into Renaissance hotels over the next few months, they will notice a number of additions to the company's regiment design to set an even higher standard of cleanliness for the hotels. Specific areas of focus include face coverings. Providing a safer environment for our guests and associates is a top priority. Fully vaccinated guests are no longer required to wear face coverings or social distance indoor or outdoor areas in the hotel, unless required by local law. We ask that unvaccinated guests and associates continue to wear face coverings and practice social distancing when they're in public spaces inside the hotel. All associates working in high CDC designated community level transmission areas are required to wear face coverings when indoors. Surface areas and public spaces. In public spaces, I've added to its already rigorous cleaning protocols requiring that surfaces are treated with hospital-grade disinfectants, and that this cleaning is done with increased frequency. In guest room, I've added to its detailed cleaning practices requiring all surfaces to be thoroughly cleaned with hospital-grade disinfectants. Wipes will be available upon guest request at the front desk. These new enhanced cleaning technologies, including electrostatic sprayers to sanitize surfaces throughout the hotel. We are using air purifying systems that are effective against viruses in the air and on surfaces. Property amenities and services. I am committed to making the amenities and services at our property available to guests while complying with the local regulations, including guidance on reducing capacity in public spaces and reinforcing social distancing. Fitness center will remain open with masks required at all times. Pool and cabanas will remain open but no mask necessary. Guest contact. To help alleviate the risk of COVID-19 transmission through person-to-person contact, Renaissance will be using signage in its lobby to remind guests to maintain social distancing protocols and will remove or rearrange furniture to allow more space for distancing. I am planning to add partitions at front desks to provide an extra level of precaution for our guests and associates. And I am also working with supply chain partners to make masks and gloves available to all associates. You will see more hand sanitizing stations around Renaissance hotels near the entrances, front desk, elevator banks, fitness, and meeting spaces. Food safety. At Renaissance, food handlers and supervisors are trained on safe food preparation and service practices. The company's food and beverage operations are required to conduct self-inspection using its food safety standards as guidelines, and compliance is validated by independent audits. Renaissance is also enhancing sanitation guidelines and training videos for associates that include hygiene and disinfecting practices. In addition, the company is modifying its operational practices for in-room dining and designing new approaches to buffet. All Renaissance guest members are invited and encouraged to use our Renaissance mobile app available on App Store and Google Play to take advantage of the contactless options such as mobile check-in and check-out, mobile key to forego the front desk altogether and go straight to guest room, mobile dining, guests can order private in-room dining through the app, and last but not least, mobile guest request. Guests can connect with us via the app to request items they would like to be delivered to their guest rooms. COVID-19 training. Here at the Renaissance, we make sure that every employee and staff receive COVID-19 safety and facility sanitation protocols training outlined by the CDC. Here are the 6 easy steps employees and guests can take to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. 1. Face coverings are required in all indoor public spaces. 2. Wash hands with soap and water or sanitizer at least 20 seconds. 3. Dry hands with disposable towels. Don't share towels. 4. Keep a safe distance at least 6 feet recommended from others. 5. Cover coughs and sneezes with a tissue or flex elbow. Disposed tissues. And 6. Do not touch eyes, nose, mouth with unwashed hands. And that concludes the end of the presentation. Thank you.